Okay, go ahead. What were you saying?
So I was saying, there is a high chance that Tesseract could do a good job with this specific case because this font has very special characters. As you can see, the letter ha is kind of tilted and twisted a little bit. If you look at the original one, yeah.
Indeed.
So
Yeah.
this font is kind of different than the regular fonts you generally see.
Yeah.
So one approach to fine-tune Tezzeract's OCR is to train the OCR for this kind of font. And based on what I've read, the
Mm.
way to do it is using the box editor.
Box
So that
editor.
means,
Okay.
yeah, so it would run like an image recognition that would separate the letters. Um, you would have, and then you would modify the letters, and then
Mm.
it would generate like an initial version for you, like a letter corresponding each font, like a
Oh
box
man.
corresponding each letter. Yeah. And then
Okay.
you would just modify the letter to the,
I think I think your internet is a little bit spotty. We lost you there.
white one of
Oops. Okay. It seems like you're
I'm
back.
disconnected.
Can you hear me? Lost you there for a sec. Are you
Are
there?
we still live?
Okay, yeah, we're still live. Thank
Yeah,
God.
I
We're
can.
not streaming from your computer.
No, but I was on air and you disappeared.
Oh
Everything
yeah?
disappeared. Yeah,
Interesting.
not
Okay.
the screen, not anything, but I
We
was still on air.
we don't have to
Anyway,
assign
doesn't
blame
matter.
anyway. That's not the
Yeah,
point.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah. You
Yeah.
blamed my connection. I had to stand up for
I'm
my
sorry
connection.
about that. I'm sorry.
All right.
Just
I'm
I
just
got
kidding. I'm
carried
just kidding.
away.
Anyways, so you would modify the each box according to the right corresponding letter, and then you would feed that to the training data as a training data. And then
Mm.
you would modify the trained data according to that set font. So you will not neglect the previous trained data. You just add to it. You kind of combine it
Yeah.
with the training data.
I
Yeah,
see what
that's
you're saying.
why.
I feel like that's pretty low level though, right? I mean, we're talking like, it's a font specific set of actions, and there are so many different fonts. So like it's just going to be an
Well,
exercise
that's
where you have to do this for every new font in Arabic. I mean, that's
well,
crazy, right?
that's the thing. With the Arabic fonts, the letters, the way text is different.
True.
Like you will have to keep on enhancing and fine tuning your model to be able to
I'm just shocked at how good
cover.
Google was. Like this model was literally just released. When was it released? Gemini 2 Flash. Gemini
Wasn't
2
it last year,
Flash, really? No, man. This is fresh. Feb
2024?
5, like last week, yeah, 10 days ago. It's 10 days
Oh,
ago they just
okay.
released Gemini 2 Flash, and the thing is a work of art, man. It's a beauty. The Mr. Shrestha and Logan. Logan, this guy was in OpenAI before. I mean, he's the real deal. And then Shrestha, Basu Malik. I don't know who that is, but
Mhm.
good job, Shrestha and the team. I mean, they killed it, and the price is ridiculous. I mean, bro, for 1 million tokens, Open Router Gemini Flash 2. The thing is nuts, man. Okay, so they have an experimental API which is free, $0 per million tokens. This is like, I don't know what that is in Arabic. Like I think probably like half a million words. No, not half a million words. Maybe closer to 100,000 words. Probably, 100,000
Okay.
words is pretty conservative. But man, a
Yeah.
100,000 words for just 10 cents. Oof. Whoa.
The surprising part was the last time this didn't do a good job for the same
Did we
type
use
of
the same
font.
one though? I think we might have used a different one.
Not not the same image, but I think you have the image that we've used.
Yeah, I think it
If you
was
still have
probably
it,
this
if you
one.
didn't remove it.
Oh, another one? Let me
No,
try.
no, it wasn't the. No, it was the same image. Not the same. I mean, the same book. We took
You know
out from the
what?
same
Yeah,
book.
yeah. Okay, let me try the other one. Uh, you know what?
I
I
think
think
this
what
one is
happened
easy.
was last time. Was it this one?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. It was
Okay.
this one. Yeah, yeah.
I think what happened last time was I didn't say when I wrote, "Can you OCR this for me?" I didn't say please.
Really?
Yeah,
I don't think so,
I
man.
think so, man. Let me try it with please, okay? Let's go.
Go ahead.
What's the
Okay, this is
alert
good.
for? Maybe it detected something that it thinks is not right. Okay, so let's check this out, right? Not very
Yeah.
clear, but let's
And can you run it in 65E as well?
indeed. 65 here. Let's drop it. Okay. And then we'll do another diff. So this guy, so the this is the Google one. And then let's see the Textify. Okay, so Textify on the left, Google on the right. Let's see. وقد أكثر فيه قوله Oh, wait. وقد أكثر فيه قوله okay. Textify is actually better. Here it says وقد
Yeah.
أسكن في رفه.
So so the last so the in the previous attempt, I mean, Google was better slightly, but
Yeah.
with this one, Textify is better. What if
Wow.
we tell Google that this is the right OCR? You think it can modify itself if you
Oh.
give it the same image again?
It could if it's in the same conversation, but
Yeah, let's see if it will update the session
I mean we're obviously not going to have the correct
entirely.
one, right? So like what is that going to accomplish? I mean you
No,
can't.
we just want to see if Google if it keeps on updating its system. If you tell it this is
No, it's
a
not
wrong
supposed to train
translation,
based on user data,
what people
actually.
tell it, yeah, it
Yeah,
should train on, yeah,
I mean,
obviously.
there's privacy involved, right? I mean, that's why.
Of course. You can't let anyone mess your system, man.
Yeah, indeed. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, so surprising, huh? I mean, it was doing well. Wait, what if we start in a new conversation? Maybe, but I think that's what we did last time too, right? I mean, it's not like I'm wondering
You
what we
said
can
that
do.
please would.
Maybe temperature, if you mess with temperature. Let's try. I mean, I feel like this is important. We should at least try a few things, right? Um, First of all, we'll give it some system instructions. So we're going to try to um, generate prompt, AI prompt, generate prompt for OCR. Like we can actually tell it in the system instructions that you are a pro, blah, blah, blah. Um, so that could actually result in better. Let's see if Reddit has anything.
That would be like
Image
tuning the
to
parameters to suit. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. I got the idea from you. I mean, that's what you said, right? Yeah, prompt
No.
generator is one of the tools that can be used. What is this crap? Purpose of the prompt, OCR and Arabic document. Okay, let's see. Oh, where is it? Okay, so utilize. Okay, I don't know. Maybe.
Then,
Okay.
then
So what does it say? Utilize optical character recognition technology to accurately extract text from an uploaded Arabic document. Ensure the following requirement. Text extraction. Layout? Really? Who cares about layout?
I don't think it will generate the fourth. It doesn't do
Metadata
that.
such as page numbers and text coordinates? No, that's not what we want. In plain text format. But then, like, why are you asking it for maintaining layout? Okay. Reading flow? Implement mechanisms. What? Okay, whatever. Um, in I don't know, plain text or markdown, but I guess plain text would be fine. So let's upload the same document, and then this time we're not going to say anything in the message itself. We're just going to attach the document. So let's go. We can also twiddle with the temperature, but let's just keep it for now. وقد أكثر في Oh my God, bro,
Oh, this is good. Can
bro.
you compare it to Textify?
Oh my God, no way. Copy text. Let's go again. So, okay, change text. And the difference. قلت وهو ممن أخذ الأدب عن
And
أبي عن أبي المعاني.
بالمعالي.
Okay, so it's maybe it's a little bit better. It's still a little bit better.
But the
Uh,
difference,
عن أبي عن المعاني. Hmm. Maybe we can tell it like try to actually make sense of the thing. Um, prompt. There are tools that do prompt improvement. Oh, wait, Claude. Let me fire up Claude. Claude has a workbench for doing prompt improvement. Prompt perfect. Okay, that sounds good. Prompt perfect. Ah, Gina. Yeah, okay. All right, this is good. Let's get started. Oh, I need to sign up to the thing. Okay, let's do that. خمريات؟ ولو من الخمريات؟ What? Oh yeah. أسقنها أسقنها قبل ارتفاع النهار. أسقنها.
that's the same. Yeah,
This is
it's
the
the
correct
same.
one. أسقنها, not أسقنها. إن طيب المدام في الأسحاب. Oh, here. But Ash, there's a Hamza up there. This one didn't catch it. It was pretty good. I mean, Textify is actually pretty decent, I don't
See,
think.
check out the third one. Yeah, yeah. Go on. The الصبوح.
Which one? Where's that?
Line number 12. Check out line number 12.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, 12 up here? No,
No,
this
no,
one.
no. 12. Yeah, yeah, that one. Yeah, yeah.
ذات أرض
Compare it with
توشمت
the other one.
بربع. ذات أرض توشمت بربع. Yeah, it's actually better.
That's better
ذهبت
than, yeah.
وشمها يد الأسهار. Yeah, it's actually way better. Yeah, on this line.
And even line 60, 15. That one is completely messed up.
Oh wow. Nicolab. Oh man, that's just completely, yeah, crazy, man. All right, fantastic. Cool. So I got Prompt Perfect up. Let's see. They had prompt as a service, deploy prompt. Okay, no, that's not what we need. Prompt improvement. Where is it? Chat auto tune. Hmm. What's auto
That's
tune?
prompt as a service. It's the fourth one.
Optimize prompt. Yeah, yeah, okay. All right. So the models we're trying to optimize for. Oh, they don't have Google. Okay. That might be a bit of an issue.
Do you think GPT can do the same?
Um, uh, the problem is I don't have Pro anymore. I'm gonna sign up to it again. It's honestly, it's worth it. But I don't have it right now, so I would need to set that up and then we can test it. The
All
actual
right.
the normal one is actually so bad. Like the one that's unpaid, uh, it's the worst I've ever seen. Like it can't do anything. Like, let me show you. Let's try. Error analyzing. Yeah. Ugh.
Can't. Okay.
Yeah, I can't do anything. I'm surprised it replied. Like whenever I would ask it anything, it says, "Oh, it looks like you added a file. What do you want?"
That's the new model, yeah.
That's the cheap, free stuff that they give, and then the actual good stuff they don't. I mean, that's a bit better. But I think we can. So let me try Claude. One sec. But this is surprising. Like I didn't think system instructions could affect the OCR stuff they do. That's interesting.
There's a massive difference.
Hmm. Maybe we can even tell it like you can make modifications to adjust the words so that they make more sense.
It would make sense, yeah.
Um, but bro, if this works, like it's just gonna be super simple, like really straightforward.
Yeah, a 5 minute thing.
Okay, so here we go. Um, oh no way, Claude 3. Okay, Claude 3. They're using 3.5 now. So, write a prompt from scratch or generate a prompt. OCR, some Arabic documents. Okay.
I didn't know Anthropic was clouds.
Yeah, Claude is by
Okay.
Anthropic. Please fix those so the end result makes sense by replacing with similar, by
Words.
replacing erroneous words with similar ones. Okay, I don't even know. I think I might be making it worse by writing more. Let's see. Okay, all right.
Oh,
Okay. Very, very detailed stuff, huh? All right, so let's give it a shot. Let's try it out, right? Wait, why is it asking me for Arabic text? Bro. Okay. Let's evaluate. No, I need to run the file. Can I add? No, no, I'm not gonna give you the text. This becomes like a step after. If we want to clean up the original, I guess we could do that. Like we could take the text from this and then just say, all right, I want you to clean it up and then
yeah,
see
but
if it
that would
does
be
it.
like, as you said, it's like this. It's like the second step.
Yeah, that would be an extra step. Maybe that's okay, right? Um, Let me analyze and correct the text. So let's compare the processed text to what we gave it. وهو ممن أخذ الأدب. Well, okay, where were the mistakes? Let's see if it fixed any of the mistakes. Um, so we had like some
Right.
mistakes.
So,
This one was a mistake. Abiyan, okay, that's on the same line. Nabil Maani, okay, bro, I fixed it. Nabil Maani,
oh,
whoa, and then it fixed the
how did it
Ulju.
know?
Oh, wow.
But how did it know? Like Abul Maali is not even close to
And look, it introduced, so Abdul Haq al-Khabazi,
Khabazi.
but it said bin. It introduced bin, even though it's not there. وعليهما
Mm.
تخرج وبهما برأ وهو وآباؤه. Bro, this is really good.
So imagine if it had the original image. Could
Well, yeah, so this prompt is, oh, so it actually tells you what it corrected. Spacing and punctuation corrected al-wawa, al-wawa, which is the correct name of the famous poet. What? Bro,
whoa.
this guy knows what he's doing. What's this? Fixed. But فاختي الجور? Where is that? Oh, here. الفتح. Oh, where?
وصف جارية له.
في وصف جارية له. Mm, okay. I mean, here. فاختي الجور. طيب. ويوم فاختي؟ ويوم فاخت به السرور. No, that's not right.
That's very
ويوم
wrong.
فاخت به السرور طرب. I don't know what that
But
is, but what does this say? ويوم.
it's probably down there.
Yeah. ويوم فاخت الجور طب. Mm, I don't know what that is, but probably they're both wrong. Because this is actually closest. El Jur, but I mean that's kind of literally what he's written here. That's how I would write it.
Yeah,
Yeah, even without the
yeah.
fix. So it fixes some things, but maybe we can tell it like only change something if you're 100% certain. Only change something if you're. Oh, here it is. If you're unsure about a particular word or phrase, you may leave it as is, but make a note of your uncertainty.
So that's what it did. Don't change it. You should add don't change it. Like be specific, not leave it as it is.
Okay. All right, let's see. It still changed this, but it made it Khabbaz. Abd al-Haq. Al-Khaнаzi. It should be Al-Khaнаzi, but he made it Ibn al-Khabbaz. And then
No,
ويوم
it still
فخت
changed
به.
it.
ويوم فخت. No, it's still the same thing. Still changing. All right, whatever. So this approach obviously introduces some errors. It could fix some, but it's probably better if we could just do it like one shot in the beginning and use that. Maybe there's some elements of that prompt that we can use ourselves. Let's see. We can to improve. Okay. Wine appreciation? Really? Is that what this is about? Uh, Oh, great choice. Well, I mean, it's good for the purpose, I guess, but you are an AI assistant tasked with correcting errors in OCR error text and resulting in a more coherent and accurate text. Okay, that seems fair. Um, maybe we just do all of this.
Yeah, try to maybe we could remove the parts where um, let's compare the two.
So page. This is V0, the original one. Okay, and then V1. So this is going to be the new one. If you have any comments or explanations, please include them in notes tag after. Remember, your goal is to produce. Okay, sounds fair. Sounds fair. All right, excellent. So let's run that again. Let's see what it does. It didn't, okay, so it added some notes here at the bottom. Okay, that's good. I mean, it's useful to have the notes.
Let's see. صاحب الجوري طلب.
In Ibrahim. Okay, so it added some little harakat. Okay, nice. Added Hamza here, all right. But it wasn't there in the original one, actually. Abin Ma'ali al-Talwi wa Abd al-Haq. It just skipped the other. Okay, Khanaziri. It's actually Khanazi, right? So this is wrong.
Nazi,
عليهما تخرج وبهما. Okay. وبهما. Okay. Bara. I don't know how it's highlighting the differences here. Like the differences are actually the same. وبهما and وبهما.
probably
I think it's highlighting what matches. وبهما برأ وهو مع what? وهو مع وأباه وأباؤه. وهو وآباؤه. Okay, so this is a mistake. I don't
It's
know why
added
I added
something.
مع. من الرونق. من الرواق. Okay, so is it رونق? Yeah, it's رونق. Okay, so this is actually more, this is correct. الإطعام.
الواوا.
Okay, which one was the tricky one? ويوم ف ويوم فأختي
اخترت.
الجور طلب. Yeah, it's actually correct. I think.
There's no طلب, it's طب.
Oh, hmm. I mean, it makes more sense. الجور طب. Uh, oh, but here there's no space. That's why. Because it doesn't make sense. Maybe it doesn't make sense. That though. But this is actually correct. صبحه. This is صيحه.
Yeah, there's also
Yeah, it's like it's
صيحة.
better. Yeah. والأصيلة وجاوزنا العشية والأصيلة. Oh, that's even better. It's got the Hamza going. Nice. السمولة and Yasina. Okay. We can even ask it which one is better. I mean, you can ask the AI, like a neutral AI. You can't ask the same one, but actually, maybe you can ask the same one. Oh, but then the system prompt, I think, would mess up with my output is better. Okay. My output has more accurate corrections. For example, ma instead of removing the word. No, that's actually wrong. Yeah, I mean, assuming it's talking about this. هو معه وأباه.
Yeah,
معه وأباه. توشحت instead of توسمت. مرة فيها instead of مرفيها. Yeah. Right. مرفيها is wrong, but this one got it right.
yeah, there's no space. Yeah,
الواو instead of الواوا in all the cases. Okay. إتزار instead of
okay.
إتزار in إتزار طيفهم. Ah, okay. Consistent. Interesting. All right. That's good. Abin Maani is more likely the correct name than Abba. Aban Maala?
Mm.
Interesting. All right. What do you think? Is
I
it
think
better?
it's well, to be honest, there is a massive difference. I mean, the prompt made a massive difference, and I think it's really good, because ultimately with OCR, this is, let's not forget that this is quite an outdated book,
Yeah.
and it's very complicated. Like there are
Tabaz is,
no,
yeah, it's terrible. I mean, the
there is,
quality is rubbish.
and the calligraphy too. The calligraphy is very difficult. Um, I'm talking about there's no tashkil, there's no, you know what I mean.
Indeed.
And it was able to add a little bit of what do you call it, calligraphical. What are those Hamza and stuff?
Yeah. The diacritics. Diacritics.
Diacritics, diacritics. Okay. So, and I think I mean, it handled it pretty well. Like you still expect some errors, and that's fine. But this
I'm trying it
one
with the
got it pretty
original one
well.
that you had just sent.
Right?
Um,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, just to make sure, like it did pretty good with the default prompt, like without any prompt. But let's
Yes.
let's hope it didn't mess anything up. Changed وين فيها to وينافيها.
وينافيها.
Okay, okay, yeah.
وينافيها.
To make more sense in the context. Oh, bro. ما قبل السمع. To make more sense. Wait, what? ما قبل أن
What is
لا
that?
ليسمع? What is that? Where is that? ما قبل إلا
Well,
ليسمع.
ما قيل
ما قيل.
ما قبله or ما قيل.
ما
What's
قبل
that?
السمع. Oh, it's وتقييد شيء. ما ما قبل إلا ليسمع.
You know, I think if we try to give it like a high quality, um, if you try to zoom, that's it's pretty low quality to be honest.
Mm. Okay. I mean, it's good enough for me. Maybe we can improve it later. But it feels like
No, I
this
think
this
it's
output is already like better than Textify, and which is
I think
probably
it's
the best that we've come across.
yes, and I think it's pretty. Um, the best part is you can easily tweak things,
Yeah,
and
it's just a prompt.
yeah.
Compare your output to this from another OCR software. Which do you Mhm. Am I correct? Okay, that's
And here's
shocking.
why. I like how it says my here's why. Like
It's
there's
confident,
always a
Yeah,
justification.
it,
Yeah.
it's not taking it personal. It's just being very like
عليه.
straightforward.
So the understanding the meaning. So على عسيره.
Where is that? I changed على عسيره. Where is it? Textify. Okay. كانت في التحصيل. Okay. على عسيره. Yeah, yeah. على عسيره was correct. What did you change it to? على يسره? Okay, I don't know why it didn't. Makes much more sense in the sentence, fitting with the theme of ease after difficulty. Maybe he made a mistake?
يسره. Oh man.
Maybe the
If he
the
is the
guy
one
who
that
wrote
made
it
a
made a.
mistake, it's
We're going way beyond the realm of just pure OCR here.
we're correcting your grammar too.
Other OCR has some strength, however, it struggles with contextual understanding and produces more nonsensical phrases overall. Okay. Maybe like one option is that we can actually merge the two. But again, like I feel like you're complicating it, and then with these sort of things, you don't really have a base case that you know is 100% accurate unless you're going to do that manually.
No, I think this is one of the case. I mean, OCR, you can't go 100% with certain things, business stuff. You can go
You know what a lot of
100%,
people do
but with
with AI stuff is you collect a library of test cases, and then whenever a new model comes
yeah,
out, you
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 just add it to
run
the mix.
you run the model against like the library of test cases which you already have, and then you see, okay, how well it performs on those specific test cases. And you have like a diverse set, so it's not like you're comparing the same thing. But That way you actually have a more objective way instead of just haphazardly testing different things and going
Yes,
with a vibe. You're actually testing it based on your own curated test set.
and I think it's done an incredible job given the outdated text and the difficulty level of this image.
Yeah.
So I think it's done a pretty good job,
It's a
and it's
good,
expected that you would, yeah, it would be expected that there would be some errors. And looking at the results, it's not massive. It's not something you would be worrying about. Like you would still, like if there is a user, like I would probably prompt the user that this the uncertainty parts that I'm not sure about, and just let him figure things out himself. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
basically what's going to happen is like if people start using it, they'll message you back and say, hey, it was good, but there was this mistake or that mistake. And then, or maybe you
No, you would.
integrate that into the UI somehow so that they can flag mistakes. And then that way you have all of the input that you need in order to improve your test suite. So, you can adjust the prompt or you can, when a new model comes out, you can just run it against like those test cases. So like your intellectual property becomes the prompt and the test suite that you collect. And that's how you're
And I
that's
think
your moat against like any newbie who's gonna come along and just whatever try to compete with you. It's not like okay, everyone has access to Gemini 2.0 Flash, but they don't have the test suite, they don't
then you
have the
have,
prompts.
yeah, like you could, like the test suite, you could have it like attached on every test you run. So say for example, Gemini would be OCRing a certain document, but it will also consider in the prompt, we will tell it to also consider the test suite. That means it's like consider the training model I'm attaching.
Yeah,
Uh,
we give it
yeah,
examples.
something
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. We can
Yes,
give it
yes, yes.
examples exactly.
Yeah, but like going back to the original, um, I mean, going back to where we started, I think this, like, you could also like inform the user of the uncertainties. That way, like for example, Textify just generates a text output. It doesn't really tell you the uncertain parts, like the parts, like the summary Google gave you. Here's what I've changed. Here's what I've done. I think that's really, I mean, that's very
Yeah.
informative to the user.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All
Yeah.
right. So like we actually give it we expose somehow the notes for the changes,
Yes. Yes.
and then maybe we even allow the
Exactly.
user to like through the UI sort of decide how much they wanted to change the original text if it doesn't make sense. So how much intelligence to add to it. So how much it's going to be like pure OCR and how much it's going to be like fixing stuff.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it becomes
Exactly.
it becomes a user option.
So the it would be like a tweaked number in the parameters, like something you could tweak in the parameters that's be fed in to the prompt.
Mm. Have a slider that users can adjust based
Yeah,
on
a
the
slider.
two options of either having like a pure OCR versus OCR with fixes and some intelligence added.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, cool. Very nice. All right. So I feel like
And
we're pretty
the
good.
you should also add the test thing for the future so that we'll not forget it.
Ah, right. Test,
The test suite
report
that we
errors.
generate. Yeah, like record errors made by the smart engine, whatever we call it.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like this would fit better over here somewhere. Okay. So report errors and then also collect a test suite to test new models on games. Beautiful, beautiful, bro. I feel like we made strong progress on the product side. And now it's really just a question of building an MVP where you can drop a file
Yes.
and then get the output. I wonder if this would work with PDFs. Oh, yeah, okay. All right. It's gonna be tricky with PDFs because I mean you're gonna have like
No, I think it
500
cannot
pages.
be. Yeah,
You're
of
gonna have
course.
500
Yeah.
pages, man. I mean, let me see. What we'll do is let me does it accept PDFs on its own? Let's see. Right. Okay. Drop a PDF.
You want me to send you the PDF? Okay, you have the PDF version.
I have a single page. I think that was the original page.
Yeah, yeah, the original one. 607 tokens.
That's it.
It did it.
أكمل الأخيار. Okay, yeah, that's right. متأخرين
Added Hamza.
وأمي لم تبرح. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Is that
that's
correct?
good.
وأمي لم تبرح? That sounds suspicious. وأمير وأم
Amir.
وأمر وأمير لم تبرح صورة ذكره. What was the
Yeah,
output? وأمير لم تبرح
Amir
صورة
Lam Tabra.
ذكره.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
yeah,
good.
okay, yeah, it's perfect. وأما وأمام وإمام
وإمام لم تنجب
إمام لن
لم تنجب أم
لم
الليالي
تنجب.
بمثاله. That's
Yeah,
good.
pretty good.
وأديك نهتز. Yeah, even the footnote was found, was
Indeed, yeah.
detected.
Beautiful. All right,
I'm
cool.
I'm just I'm just if you notice something, the image was actually not misinterpreted. Like it was just ignored.
Yeah,
Have you
exactly.
noticed?
I put Bismillah
Yeah,
ar-Rahman ar-Rahim at the top and then just ignored
which is
anything that
like
wasn't
in
text.
the midst of, yeah, the text was like in the middle of all the whole, mosaic image.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. Oh man,
This is
this is
good.
nuts. This is
I mean,
nuts.
this is difficulty level cracked.
This is crazy, man.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Beautiful. I mean, this
So
is
it
exactly
can
what,
work with PDF.
yeah, yeah. So it can work with PDFs, no problem. All right, amazing, amazing. All right, so MVP. I mean, that's all we need right now, right? What was the
VP.
content
Yes.
strategy here? It was like, all right, we'll do استخراج النص من الصور. That's the sort of core keyword that we're going after.
Yes.
Okay.
تحويل الصور.
Um,
It was like a funnel that we kind of came up with. Like you would change to PDF, um, and then PDF to Word,
I mean, this
where
one is sort of
HTML,
specifically about
that's the
uh,
core. Yeah.
الصور,
We
so
decided it might
images.
be business. Yeah, the businesses might be interested in it, whatever.
Yeah.
So that's why yeah,
Mm.
like it depends on the quality of the search. We found the 1.7K, but it doesn't mean like we don't really know the quality of the search, like who's actually searching.
Just give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Sure, sure, take your time. Take your time, take your time.
Alright. Um, You're back, except for your audio. Oh, you are back. Yeah. Man, my picture on the stream just looks so bad. I think it's because of the background removal.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Yes.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Bro, it must be you. This can't be me again. Okay, wait. Actually, it is me. Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Oh, beautiful. I don't know why it didn't work for a sec. I was just saying, man, my video, it just looks horrible. I'm just gonna turn off the color key, which I had uh applied, just so it doesn't look so bad. Okay, there we go. Now it's just got a black background. Let me see if I can fix that. Just something a bit lighter. And that's good. All right, excellent. Right. Now it's taking up like half the screen, man. Okay, whatever. I feel sorry for the poor soul watching this. Oh man. Okay. All right, cool. Anyway, all right, so we need an MVP, man. Like actually get something done, instead of
Going,
chit-chatting,
yeah,
philosophizing about like different things that we could do. We need to actually do the work, right? Walk the walk,
yes.
as it were. So, let's see, how are we thinking about this? Um, so the first and foremost is like from an SEO perspective, we need to just be clear on like how we're going to target this keyword. And so if someone is searching for استخراج النص من الصور, they're going to assume that, or what they want is like they're going to paste an image or they're going to drag an image and then get the text. Like
Yes.
that's probably what you
An
want,
image
right?
or PDF, yeah, an image or a PDF.
Well, a PDF would be a separate query, right? That would be one of these,
Okay,
uh,
so we just
or maybe
lasered,
one of
like
these.
we're our core focus is just pictures now.
I feel like we could probably get this. Like this, we could probably hit with the same one. Like if someone doesn't know about OCR, they're probably not going to be searching for this. But we can hit
Yes.
this by just saying تحويل الصورة إلى PDF. But that's going to be a separate page.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. SEO thing. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. We'll have a separate page for تحويل الصورة إلى PDF, which is literally the same thing. Just we're gonna tack on like a PDF conversion step at the end, and that's it.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
The
Got it.
problem is like, so right now, let's take a look at this, and we're mainly interested in Saudi. Let's see what we end up with. Let's see what the top ranking results are. So it's this guy and this guy. Let's see what do their landing pages look like. Okay, so literally you paste the thing and then you get, I just can't resist. I gotta feed it the file. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so they do that capture thing. All right. We'll probably need to have something similar, right? Um, So MVP. الأقنعة والأوراق. Oh, that's actually pretty good. انتصرت منه على أخبار أهل التي أنا فيها.
But
Okay.
this is simple. Like probably
Yeah,
we could use the other one.
it's pretty good though, and it's free. So the main sort
Yeah.
of action is APIs. That's how they make their
So
money,
there
it
is a
looks like.
pricing. Yeah. Tester plan.
Business plan, 300K images for 1 year. Okay. So they switched to yearly pricing. Okay. Hmm. Pretty good. Image to text. Okay. I mean, it's literally called image to text. I guess like our advantage here is the whole thing is going to be in Arabic, so we can
Yeah.
probably get this. Yeah,
This is like I Arabic is part of the whole suite, so it's like they provide a whole spectrum of
how do you
things
make
to
money?
do.
Yeah. So people
API
would pay
access.
for API plans, or I guess maybe like a simple application that you can put on your desktop for immediately converting.
Or an extension maybe in your browser.
Yeah, assuming you're on desktop. I mean, they might be, I don't know if it shows like
Phone,
breakdown
like you're
between
using.
mobile. This is pretty much the same thing, repost SEO, right? Uh, well, okay, they're all doing the same thing, man. This doesn't even have a captcha. Okay, it does. Okay, same thing. Copy, paste, whatever. It doesn't even mention like the API anywhere. Why would they want
I don't think this has.
you what?
Can you go? Can you click on the sandwich menu?
How do they make money?
Search queries.
I guess the image stuff
Oh, so there's a
you can
word
do for
limit.
free. You what?
I think there's a word limit in there. So I
Yeah.
think and if you upload a large PDF, it will not accept it
Mm, yeah.
from extension.
Yeah, it makes sense. So they have apps. Okay, so you have iOS and Android app, which you can use to do it on mobile, and then you also have a Chrome extension, multiple file uploads, a plagiarism checker API. I mean, it kind of seems like a bunch of stuff, but 75 plus online tools for students, writers, and SEO experts. Interesting. Okay. Pretty pricey though at 20 a month. I mean, assuming they're targeting students.
Wait, million downloads?
Oh, 1 million
Oh,
plus.
plagiarism checker. That's it's not the OCR thing. It's like it's the next step.
Text summarizer. So they have apps for like each specific feature. Image to text, like picture to text. 100K plus. Okay. That would actually make more sense. It's just a mobile app, which just
Yeah,
does picture to text. Huh.
because you have the access to camera and it would be
Yeah.
like easy.
AI story generator. Okay. So they basically just do a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, they overwhelm the the market.
I mean, honestly, like me personally, I'm sitting here wondering like what on earth are we doing and why are we even bothering if this already seems like something that's fixed. But
Hmm.
at the same time, the point isn't to dominate the OCR industry. The point is just to like release something. So maybe we're
Ship
spending just way too much time
fast.
thinking about this, and we should just be like doing the work. The most obvious thing would be to just do API plans, and that's how we're going to make money. And then maybe if there are suggestions for other stuff, then we could consider that. But I feel like okay, they all have a super
I think,
simple flow. You literally just drop the image, and then it does it for free. So that's what
yeah,
you're gonna
I
do,
think,
right?
yeah, we talked about this the last time. Our main goal now shifted from trying to find something that people are really looking for and need, because there are solutions. We don't know why. Um, like there are solutions to the problems we found on Ahref, like the questions, yeah.
Hmm.
Then we decided to just ship fast. Like there's some hope in it, regardless of how big the traffic is. It's not completely useless, and we were able to, match the same accuracy to um, maybe better, like and maybe even do better than the existing solutions when it comes to accuracy. Yeah, as you said, we're not here to dominate the market, but we want to produce something that is useful. At the same time, we want to ship fast. So this is something we decided to just do. You know what I'm saying?
Indeed. Indeed. So the format that we're after is just a landing page. So these two, both of these tools are
This
landing
is too
pages. They
much.
don't want a blog post. They don't want. We're not going to be focused on like uh, creating a blog post, but it's going to be focused on to a Word document online. Okay. So you could have blog posts for other stuff. But I wonder what keywords they get for like those pages. So if we look at the number one position now is image to text.info. So, what are the organic keywords that they have for that page? استخراج النص من الصور تحويل الصورة إلى نص. Okay. Oh, look at the volumes, man.
That's pretty good.
نسخ الكلام من الصورة تحويل الصور إلى نص. نسخ الكلام من الصور
Those are very
استخراج
low.
النص.
تفريغ
Yeah, there.
الصور. What's that?
تفريغ. Oh, okay. تفريغ. Whoa, look at that, man. تفريغ الصور 27K. That's the keyword? It's number 8. تفريغ الصور. Oh, wow. Whoa. Who's ranking for that?
So
Remove dot beat. You gotta be kidding me.
remove
Oh,
background.
remove background? Oh, there's background removal. But it still ranks number 8? It's so strange. تزيل خلفية الصور.
That has nothing to do with background removal.
So تفريغ الصور could mean both.
Okay.
Hmm.
تفريغ الكتابة من الصور. Those are very low. But تفريغ الصور is background removal. Like I don't see why تفريغ الصور
تفريغ
is background
الكلام من
removal.
الصور. Okay.
That's
تفريغ
very low
الصور
volume.
من الخلفية. Hmm. Oh, okay. So it's a bit confusing. So it kind of like it seems Google thinks تفريغ الصور means removing the background. That's what it means.
Emptying the picture from a background.
Hmm. Well, removing the background. So you could have any image and then it just removes the background and keeps
Mm.
the subject.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
But at the same time, like it's also ranking, number 8 for that. Actually it's not ranking. Position is okay, number 22, and it's getting like 50 clicks. Most of its
That's a
traffic is
difficult
coming
one.
from استخراج النص من الصور. Okay, so that's interesting. probably not
hold
going to be
on.
able to rank for Tafril
Can
Surah.
you, is this the organic keywords?
So what? Yeah, yeah,
Can
organic
you go back
keywords.
to the, yeah, hold on. Can you go, like, can you scroll down?
Mm-hmm.
More, 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 more. I think I see something there. Further, further down. Hold on.
صور للكتابة. And it
Yeah,
gets 10 visits from that. But this seems interesting. Like we could probably, yeah, this we could target. It's 1.1K, so a bit lower than the one we already had.
but it's easy.
صور للكتابة عليها. Oh, so confusing, man. صور للكتابة. Okay.
Can you
الكتابة
scroll
عليها.
down in the other one? Uh, I think there's also another keyword that I've seen further down, further down. Yeah, hold on. صور الكتابة عليها تحويل النص إلى كلام. That's that one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Further down, further down. One more. Yeah.
1.2K. That's interesting, yeah.
So kitaba, kalam, those are the keywords we're after.
That's from Algeria, man.
Algeria.
Yeah.
1.2K from Saudi.
Mm. Yeah, so I mean, صور إلى كتابة.
Can you like arrange it by volume?
So we only consider uh okay,
Above 1K volume.
yeah. تحويل صورة إلى PDF. It's 58. And it's so crazy.
Like it's ranking for locations that are كاشف الأرقام. It's like weird. It's a
Yeah,
weird
but these
keyword.
are super
Very,
low.
they're very, yeah, way behind the queue.
حروف الإنجليزي. تحويل PDF إلى Word. صورة إلى PDF. This seems like it would be a strong one for us. صورة إلى PDF.
Yeah.
And it can't mean that
You
they
mean,
just want to do it without OCR. Like this is,
yeah.
yeah,
You mean it's
that's
a
kind
tough
of
one.
why, yeah, yeah. I kind of feel like maybe we should be targeting this.
Mm.
Can we compete with all these big boys? I don't know, man. Seems like it shouldn't be too hard. 16 reference domains to rank in the top 10, referring domains. So we just need to reach out to like 16 of them and get, people to list us. Cool. I
Mhm.
mean, okay, so it seems like this would be the primary keyword, kind of like what we were saying, right? And you can see that the top results are landing pages as well. You drop a landing page. Yeah. So it would be landing page format. Drop image file. Um, so convert to text, then convert to image. Convert to text or PDF in a separate page. Okay. So weird. Why would you want to take an image and turn it to PDF? That doesn't make any sense to me. I don't get it.
I think it's the other way around. I think it's converting a word to PDF, no? An image to PDF.
Yeah, image to PDF.
I
Why would
think
you want to do that?
text. They're probably looking for text,
Yeah, that's the guess, is
OCR.
it's probably text.
That's the only logical explanation one could come up with.
Yeah. Well, it's worth a shot then, huh? Worth a shot. Cool. Okay. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Uh, تفريغ الصور. You think we should consider that as a keyword? Maybe.
Well, there
Um,
is traffic.
remove BG. They're literally the top 10 are all removing backgrounds. So clearly Google thinks that this is synonymous with background removal.
Hmm. It's juicy, but I don't think it's relevant.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't do background removal anyway.
Yeah.
Unless we're going to try and target the selection of people that actually mean, converting a picture to text. That's
If you think about it, like some images might have text in them, and then the OCR will, extract the text out of the image. It's like, you know, removing everything else but the text.
yeah. Cool. So we can
All
we can
right,
put together.
this
There's actually several ways to
wireframe.
do this. The sort of canonical way to do this is just generate the UI directly using V0. So we just say like I want okay, so just sort of describe what it is that we need. So what specifically are we looking after? Are we looking for? Create a landing page for a product that allows a user to drop an image or upload a file and have that converted to text. We should also include a CAPTCHA before submission of the form and highlight the features for this product underneath the main section of the page. So highlight the unparalleled accuracy, the fact that it's AI powered, and the fact that we also provide API plans, which make it super cheap to process in bulk, and that we are the most cost-effective solution and the fastest, most reliable, and most accurate. Okay. Oh, and make it in Arabic. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, we lost Ibrahim. Are you there, man?
Yeah,
Lost you
yeah,
there for a
I'm back.
sec. Oh, it's good. It's good to have you back. Have
Yeah,
you
you were
seen
saying I've lost you with.
v0.dev? I mean, you've been out of the space for a while. Have you seen this v0.dev? Bro, we lost you again. Have you seen
I'm still
v0.dev?
here. No, I haven't. I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, it's a Vercel thing. It lets you generate UI. Although they do say that you
UI,
can generate like functional stuff even with a backend, but
UI.
yeah, I've never tried like doing functional stuff with it. Um, but yeah, let's see if we can get something useful. Create a landing page. Still generating, man. Yeah, it looks like it's, actually doing the right stuff. Yeah, UI, like it does, full blown interactive like landing page. I use it mainly for like, oh, it just made its own CAPTCHA thing. Really? No. We should tell it we don't want that crap. I mean, okay. Looks okay. It's not well designed. Uh,
It's very
but
ugly.
there was a place where we could. I don't know how you're gonna make it look amazing, sleek, modern, and super accurate.
Mini-
Be confident. Also, for some reason, everyone's using the Cloudflare CAPTCHA, so also use the Cloudflare CAPTCHA, not this stupid thing you made up
you
yourself.
will hurt its feelings. It will generate an ugly design.
Not the thing you made up. I'm sorry, man. I just gotta be me, you know? You need to express yourself clearly so it just
Let
reads
the
the
emotions flow.
yeah, it's gotta be raw. Wait, the thing actually handles file uploads. Interesting. Test that. Generate captcha. Why is it messing with the captcha? Oh, it's regenerating it. So like maybe it would have been quicker to just do this directly through something like Cursor.
Um,
But maybe, yeah, we'll see. It actually does let you, like, you can switch to code editor mode somewhere. There's like a code editor mode where you can modify the code directly. I saw it somewhere. Anyway, uh, we'll wait for the preview. Bro, this is supposed to be modern and beautiful? Okay. I mean, it's kind of moving,
maybe
like it's inviting you to upload something.
maybe we can specify the color palette
Oh
to
yeah.
use.
I remember there was actually a place where you could do this. I feel like um, I'm losing touch with these things. Work. Where can I actually run? Wait, what happened? Oh, to use environment variable. Oh, we need environment variables. Need to sign up.
Capture Cloud Flare.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'll just log in through my existing account with Cloudflare. Cloudflare, by the way, is super cool for anything domain related. Like you want to buy a domain, buy it from Cloudflare, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Why them?
they sell it at cost.
Namecheap is also good.
Namecheap? No, I transferred all my domains from Namecheap to Cloudflare.
Really?
Yeah, they sell it at cost, man. Namecheap, they lure you in by giving you like cheap domains for the
Entry,
first
yeah.
year, and then when you come to renew, like they just, they screw you over. So they make up for it in the second and third year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I should move then.
Um, PDF, OCR, OCR. Yeah. Okay, we need a host name, really? We don't even know what it's going to be called. Okay. Maybe we can do localhost. Can you do localhost? Oh, it works. Works for me. All right, so purely non-interactive. Oh, really? If we do show an interaction, the user will be prompted to check a box. Okay, nice, nice. That does not require interaction. Oh, interesting. Uh, I don't know. Feels like going with the default is safer. Oops. Somebody's going to copy our private keys. I guess it's too late. Now I need to delete it and okay, we'll use it for testing purposes and
Yeah, and this will not be the same for protection.
yes, I'm going to delete it right now.
Press on the delete
Okay.
button.
I don't know if I'm supposed to send it this way. I feel like this is wrong. I should probably not be pasting it into the chat with the thank you. I'll use these to set up the captcha. Okay, that's good. Now I'll hide this. It doesn't matter. We're going to change it anyway.
You delete it anyway. And
Yeah.
delete the.
I think it's free. Anyway,
I mean, but V0 it does really like it's pretty good.
yeah, V0. Pretty decent. It's a bit slow
Mhm.
though. I'm
It is
not a
very
fan of.
slow.
Yeah, takes forever. That's what I'm saying. Like maybe
It's
it
still
makes more
faster
sense
than.
than doing it yourself. Yeah, true, true. Yeah, indeed. Okay. Failed to load. File upload. Missing environment variables. Public Cloudflare site key, and then Cloudflare secret key. Okay. All right. So how do we add this? We need to create a project. Well, it did it here, right? Let's update our React project to use Cloud. Okay. How do I add
I
environment
think there is a
variables?
place where you add variable.
Yeah, you got to create a project. So I'll create a project. Okay. Ah, here it is. What was the name of the keys again? Uh, okay. No, I didn't. So I need to associate that chat. Oh man. Hello. Where my old chat? Okay, here it is. Missing environment variables. Okay, now we can add it. So site key is that, and then secret key is this. Okay. All right, and then we need to move that chat into a project. So how do we assign this to a project? Move. You gotta be kidding me. I have to start from scratch. Oh, here it is. Okay. All right, there we go. So now we just, all right. Current style is Cloudflare. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So we should be able to add an image. Let's try that now. Okay, that didn't work. What's wrong with this? Why is the drag and drop not working? Why can't I click this? Bro, the drag and drop isn't working, and once I add an image, it doesn't allow me to click the button to get it converted. Yeah, definitely gonna be switching over to Cursor. So let's just. I actually have this um, approach for working with Cursor that is really good. So like a bunch of prompts that I use to create projects, and it just gets me up and running really quickly. But I haven't turned it into a repo yet. So that's why I'm hesitant to switch over. But if this doesn't work right now,
You created like a boilerplate?
I haven't done that yet. But
Ah,
if
okay.
this
You
doesn't work
wanna
now, I'm gonna do that. I'll just set up a boilerplate and then we can get it going. Okay, now the drag and drop works. Okay. But the button still doesn't work. Okay.
so in
Last
this
chance.
case it's like okay.
Last chance. Doesn't work? That's it. I don't know where it's uploading it though. I mean, you need a server for that, right? Unless it's gonna do it client side.
Yeah.
Uh, oh,
It's still
upload,
generating the
verify the token. Okay.
yes.
Oh, it's doing some Cloudflare stuff, the CAPTCHA stuff. Why is it doing it inside the file upload instead of inside here? Oh,
Cursor
it
has
didn't,
AI.
you what?
Cursor does AI too.
Cursor does AI?
Yeah. What's the difference between V0 and Cursor?
Oh, V0 is just, oh, invalid domain. Okay, so it doesn't work with this domain. That's why I asked for the domain.
Okay.
Yeah, Cursor does AI, of course. The but it doesn't do like visual preview. So you kind of have to have like
Yeah.
a server running and then you can check it
And then
locally.
you just
I
yeah
used
plug in
V0
whatever
just for quick like illustration stuff.
preview.
Yeah, yeah.
Interesting.
There's also another one called lovable.dev and there's another one called bolt.new. I haven't had much success with Bolt. It doesn't work really well for me. But Lovable, I just sort of tried. I should probably give it another shot, so maybe we could try it here. Just giving it use Cloudflare. Yeah, let's see if this works. Have you bothered? Okay, so the CAPTCHA thing didn't work because the domain is not authorized. I'm just gonna add the domain now. Okay, you can rotate the secret key. There we go. There. I rotated the secret key. So anybody that saw the last key, sorry about it. You're not going to be able to do anything with it now. Uh, where is project. Okay, so project, so CRAI, edit, Cloudflare secret key. All right, so I'm gonna edit that, Flare underscore secret. Yeah, paste in the new secret key. Okay, all right, okay, all right, cool. Great. So we got that set up. Where's V0? Oh, did I close it? Hmm, interesting. I just closed it. Missing environment variable. Okay, no, not missing anymore. I fixed that. Really? Cloudflare secret key. No, I fixed that. Um, okay. So we come back to this Supabase. Oh, create
What's
a
wrong with my
beautiful,
connection?
responsive Arabic landing page with
Is it
smooth
my
animation.
connection?
Oh, are
Let's
you
check
gone?
the live stream.
Have we lost you? Hello? I can hear you. Oh, look at this, bro,
No, I'm
bro.
still in the live, but I don't see your screen.
Oh, you don't seem weird. I can hear you.
I share the screen with me, please. I'm watching the live.
Working now? Is it okay now?
Yeah, I can see it a little bit. I'm still here, but I just don't see. But that's pretty good.
Try refreshing the Video Ninja page.
No, let me. No, it's not. Let me.
Hey,
We're
are
back.
you back? Can you hear me?
I can.
Beautiful. Bro,
That
Lovable just killed it. I mean, it added some icons. It made a beautiful, you know, uh landing page hero section here. I mean, the thing looks sick. We can probably add a few more things, but bro, this is amazing.
it's lovable.
Oh, wow, look at this.
It's done a good.
I told it to make it more minimal, and look what it came up with. It's looking pretty
Yeah,
nice.
I mean, aside from the font, it's pretty okay.
Yeah,
Pretty okay.
the
Yeah.
display font is pretty bad. Invalid domain. Contact site administrator. Okay. Oh, it's pretty good, man. Pretty good. I feel like, okay, all right. Maybe we work with this then. We work with Lovable. The error has been fixed. Okay, the rest of the functionality. Um, you'll need to replace the turnstile site key with your actual Cloudflare turnstile key. Okay, let's do that. Um, so settings, where is Hello? Where do I add where do I add the edit? What?
What do you want to add?
The environment variable.
Hmm.
Maybe you do it in Supabase. I mean, it's
Probably
supposed to
edit code. Uh,
connect to
and
GitHub.
connect to GitHub.
No, it's not gonna be in the code. Um, okay. So, how do I add environment variables? We don't use traditional .n. Use Supabase secrets, most secure. Huh. Okay, so Supabase. Oh, so it's pretty tightly coupled with Supabase. I don't really use Supabase, but I guess I could set it up. So I set up Supabase here. Hmm. Okay, so it's hooked up to Supabase. We're going to create a new project. Um, just call it OCRAI. Type in a strong password. Yeah, just generate it. Okay, let's create it. Okay, cool. So I guess we can link it now to Supabase. Go to the Supabase dashboard to activate it. Okay, need to activate it? How? Oh, it's setting up. Okay, you just gotta wait. Okay, I think that's set up. So we should be able to hook it up now. Let's connect. Oh, look, when you connect, it just says, please connect my project. You haven't created any tables yet? Okay. Enable sign up. No, we don't need that. Uh, okay, so I need to add environment variables. Manage secrets. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that. Uh, same, so we need the site key. All right. I'm guessing it already takes care of the Supabase takes care of the upload stuff, so I probably don't have to do anything there. Um, okay, nice. Purely fetch turnstile and update file upload to use. Okay. Error build unsuccessful. Try to fix. Okay. I think I need to modify it to work on lovable.app. So manage widget. Let's add lovable.app. Maybe like this specific subdomain. Yeah, okay. Public key from data. Oh, it's not using the official React turnstile component.
React drop zone. So
React drop zone? Where the
so
Oh, you mean
I'm trying it here in my PC and it's not generating a preview for me for some reason. Crap it fart. Why is the build unsuccessful?
okay. Huh. I guess we're assuming that it's going to be in Arabic, but it might not be, right? The text might be in English.
Well, we're assuming Arabic.
I mean, the guy is searching in Arabic, but it doesn't necessarily mean the image is in Arabic. I guess we could add a drop down, like the drop down defaults to Arabic, and then you can change it if you want.
Okay, you can.
I couldn't apply because the code changes I suggested were the same. Yeah. Lovableproject.com. Man, I don't know anything about Supabase. We're just getting a bunch of Supabase errors, and it just feels like completely irrelevant. It's a side quest. Hey, you there? Oh man, disconnected again. Error loading security check. Please refresh. Okay. You're lovable. It's letting us down. This was supposed to be super easy. Maybe that's the problem. Like you need to manage your expectations. Don't assume it's going to be easy. Just assume it's going to be tough. Turnstile site key. Oh, okay. It's using the wrong.
Let's check out
Is this even Next.js? What is this code?
Google Chrome.
Let's see what. Where is the code? Edit code. I can't edit the code. Can I see the code? Show me the code. Unbelievable. I can't even see the code without connecting it to. Yo, settings. Oh man, I can't even see the code. This is so stupid. You don't keep a copy. Handle your repository carefully. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Now I need to create a repository on GitHub and then connect.
So it will just dump the code in GitHub.
Yeah, I guess. I just want to see the code. I'm not trying to change the thing. It's so strange why they would not allow you to see the code. Oh man. Let's see. AI. Okay, connect.
Where do I see the code?
Transfer repository. You need to create it. They create the repository. Image Arabic to text. Okay. Oh, it doesn't use Next.js. It uses Vite. Vite. Hmm, interesting. All right, so what's the environment variable that it wants? Can you just tell me what the environment variable name is? Vite env. Okay, that's not it. Pages.
There's a
Components.
messaging limit with Lovable. I hit a block, whatever. Is Are you paying for Lovable?
I'm actually not sure.
because mine stopped replying to my requests.
I have three projects, 2 out of 5 daily messages remaining. I don't know if I'm paying actually. No, I'm not.
Okay, mine stopped replying to my requests.
It stopped replying.
Yeah. Anyways, I sent you like a
Oh, nice. It's a nice crusty feel, crusty, like a ancient rustic sort of feel going on.
yeah, kind of like a ancient like books. Never
What
mind.
about the rest of it? Did you get the rest of the page
I stopped replying to my requests. Like
before
I was
you
just trying
managed to give it
testing.
more direction?
Yeah, more inquiries,
Indeed.
commands.
Oh, I'm getting a call. Just give me a sec. Let me take this. What kind of a
Sure.
stream is this?
I will take a call too, so I will uh, be back in a minute. You're live, man. Yeah, we can hear you. All right, so I will feed in few valuable informations to our viewers. All right, maybe they're not so valuable, but whatever. Okay, so so there are several tools that we can use here. One of which is Lovable, and it's done like a pretty good job generating the initial version, and that's about it. I hope this was valuable. Okay, so now our main goal is just to move this to actual working code and ship it really fast. Just put it out there. And then we try to maximize for or optimize for SEO. The next step after this would be, well, to finalize and to connect the APIs and to make sure that everything works as expected. We set a domain name, which is a name, and I think the name would be something like um, something that reflects an Arabic content since it's directed to the Arabic speakers. Okay, so so possibilities would be Nas is pretty good. Nas Kitaba. Huruf. Nas Kitaba Huruf. Harf. No. Bod. Probably half a bod. No. Mm, okay, so you would change to change an image to meaningful text, editable text, editable, tahrir, editable.